Hey, welcome back to Handlebar Garden.
How's it going?
It's been a while since we've been out here.
Been a while since we've been in the garden. It's good to be back. It's a little bit warmer today, and decided to come out here in the garden, kind of hang out. Gave me a good excuse to clean the table off too.
Yeah, it's something else I ain't seen the top of in a long time.
Oh, today, well, what we plan on doing is, you ever been washing your bike and you talk about giving it a wash. You take your saddlebags off and you're standing there holding it, and where am I going to lay it? So you lay it in the yard or lay it on this or that.
Find a towel or a floor mat or something to lay it on.
We are going to build a saddlebag rack that'll hold both saddlebags for cheap. And we'll do that after this. Alright, a little bit different view on the table here. Basically what we got is 1/2 inch PVC. I've already cut all this to size and kind of mocked it up. But it's 1/2 inch PVC and this old insulating stuff here. Cheap stuff. I mean, you go to look. We went to Lowe's and grabbed everything. Kind of done this on a whim. I don't know. I just, as far as measuring, I just kind of, I had my saddlebag off and I went with 14 inch pieces. And I'll show you how we.
Now you could have went smaller than 1/2 inch, or you could have went bigger.
Could have went bigger and beefier. I didn't think the smaller than 1/2 inch was a little bit flimsy. I thought, and it would probably work, but I was just not a fan.
Yeah.
And the 3/4 and 3/4, I was like, man, that's a month. I mean, it's just way big. So, but it's very simple concept. Basically, you're just working a little puzzle. And I told Mike, like I said, kind of, and what you'll need too is four tees. Don't buy these each. They got a 10-pack for the price of like 3. So
if you got a buddy that's wanting one too, you go in halves.
Yep.
Instead of what, 20-something bucks.
Yep. And the same way with the elbows. You could have bought 3 for the price of 10. You'll need 10 elbows and 4 tees. That's what you'll need for what we're doing here.
Well, that's what, eight elbows, right?
10 altogether.
See. Oh, we're just using 8. Oh, okay, you got.
Yep.
Okay, you got 2 there. All right, so yep, 10.
Yep. So basically, that's what we got. It goes like this, and like this, like working puzzle, man. And that, and you got little short pieces. Okay, that's them right there. Then I cut these I cut them at 3 inch, and this is 7 inch, and we'll snug them up tight here in a minute. Show you how this goes together. Then you put a T in the center of it. And then another 14 inch piece. Right there. Right there.
And you can glue these, but you don't really have to. I mean, it ain't like you're going to have any kind of pressure going through them.
Right. Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Am I putting that together right?
Yeah. These look just like that. So that will be the top. So you're going good.
Yeah.
And
And these.
Yep.
You said these were the 7s.
Yep. Like I said, it's a very simple concept. And very simple concept. Then what I was doing is just kind of squeezing them together real good. Make sure it didn't, come loose. Because you don't want to put the saddlebag on there and then fall apart. I don't know what that's going to sound like on there, but hopefully it won't be too loud. And then put them two there, and we're done. Connect these two pieces together. Then basically put that there. And that's pretty much it.
And then these, of course, just cap right over it.
Yep. That'll protect your saddlebag. Your paint, anyway. And I'll go get a saddlebag. Show you what it looks like on here. I've just got one off, so but it'll give you an idea of what it looks like anyway.
Yeah.
You take it out, set it right there. The other one just set right on the other side. Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's sturdy, you know.
And you can, I mean, depending on the size of your saddlebags, you could make this bigger or smaller.
Yeah, and like I was thinking, I don't know if you can see me down here, like in this area here, if you've got extended bags, you might want to make that this piece here a little shorter. But I think if I'm looking at it right, I think your extended bags are still going to work. I don't know why it wouldn't.
Yeah.
I don't know why it wouldn't. So I put that one there, and I'll go the other side. I don't know why, but and show you what it looks like over there. Same concept. Just lay it on there. You know, so there's plenty of clearance here. I mean,
yeah.
And anyway, it's a good cheap way to have a saddlebag mount or bracket, or if you make one of these, let us know about it.
Yeah, go over to our Facebook page. We got a Facebook group.
Yeah.
Yeah, go over there and share some of your pictures and videos with us.
Yep, we'd appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hey, there, it's back.
Yeah, hit your notification
bell. Give us a thumbs up if you would. We appreciate y'all watching. That's a fun little build, and it's going to come in handy.
I believe so.
Yep. Until next time, be good to one another.